A historic moment has unfolded in India's space journey. After a 40-year-long wait, India has sent its second astronaut into space, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, riding aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. He now carries the aspirations of 1.4 billion Indians, from overcoming technical glitches to breaking new frontiers in Indo-US space cooperation. This mission is truly iconic. Let me take you through every detail of this landmark moment. So here are the top 10 moments and milestones of this historic launch. First, a launch with a moment of tension. Just before liftoff, a hiccup emerged, a last-minute issue with uploading wind data into capsule triggered concern. Thankfully, SpaceX engineers quickly resolved the glitch and the launch was cleared for 12:01 p.m. IST. Second, India's second space traveler in 40 years, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, is now only the second Indian to go to space, following in the footsteps of Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, who made history in 1984. It's been a long wait, but finally another Gagan Yatri has left Earth. Third, historic launch site. The Falcon 9 rocket took off from Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, the very same pad from where Neil Armstrong launched for the moon during Apollo 11 in 1969. Fourth, Shukla, the chosen one by ISRO. At 39, this fighter pilot was selected as the prime astronaut by ISRO after a rigorous process. His role is not symbolic. He is one of the 4 core crew members aboard the Axiom 4 mission. Fifth, strict quarantine and elite company. Ahead of the flight, Captain Shukla spent over a month in precautionary quarantine. He now travels with 3 elite astronauts: Mission Commander Dr. Peggy Whitson and Specialist Slavoj Ozanski-Wisniewski and Tibor Kapu. 6. India in orbit with science and diplomacy. Over the 2-week-long mission, the crew will conduct 60 scientific experiments, 7 of which have been proposed by Indian researchers. Shukla is not expected to participate in a space-to-Earth outreach program and speak to VIP, possibly the Prime Minister. 7th, launch delays and countdown drama. Originally scheduled for May 29, the mission saw several delays due to bad weather and technical snags, including an oxidizer leak. June 25 was NASA's 6th announced launch date, and this time it finally took off. 8. SpaceX Falcon 9 engineering marvel. Elon Musk's Falcon 9 is no ordinary rocket. It's partially reusable, bringing down space cost. With 16 previous crewed missions and a 100 safety record, it's one of the most reliable launch vehicles in human space flight today. 9. Rupees 550 crore ticket to the stars. This space flight was made possible through a 550 crore investment by India, part of a commercial agreement with Axiom Space, the Houston-based private firm operating this mission in partnership with NASA. 10th, born from diplomacy, Mission Akash Ganga. This mission has deep roots in diplomacy. It was first proposed during PM Narendra Modi's 2023 state visit to the US as part of a joint NASA-ISRO agreement now named Mission Akash Ganga. It marks a bold new phase in Indo-US space collaboration. So from Rakesh Sharma to Shubhanshu Shukla, India's space odyssey has taken another giant leap. With scientific breakthroughs, global partnerships and sheer spirit of explorations, Gaganyaan is not just a mission, it's a moment of national pride. So stay tuned to the Free Press Journal for more updates on Mission Akash Ganga as we track India's journey among the stars.